Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple way you can clean your gizzard at home with no stress at all. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into the video. To start with, you need to make sure that you have a frozen gizzard. This way you can remove any unwanted particles or anything you don't need from the gizzard very easily. All right, so I forgot to show you the packaging of this gizzard. It is written on it that the gizzard is clean, and as you can see, I still have some yellow sac in it which I need to take them off. So when you buy a store-bought gizzard like this, make sure to inspect every part of the gizzard to make sure that you have a very clean and healthy gizzard. So as you can see, I just take off the yellow sac from the gizzard, which I don't need from it, and I also don't want the white strings or the fatty parts on the gizzard, which I will take them off as well. You can as well leave your white strings or your fatty parts on your gizzard if you don't want to stress yourself, but trust me, when you remove it from your gizzard, you are going to have the very best and clean gizzard ever. So now let me really show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. This is the white strings or the fatty parts I don't need from the gizzard, and I still have some yellow sacs on the gizzard, which I will use the help of the knife to get rid of everything from the gizzard. Alright, so as you can see, the gizzard is looking all fresh and very neat. This is what I'm looking for. All the strings and the fatty parts are well removed, and I just love it. So I'll just set it aside and repeat the process one more time. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing my videos, and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after all the gizzard is well clean, I'll transfer everything into a clean bowl. I'll pour in some water as well to help wash the gizzard very well. Next, I'll also go in with some vinegar. You can as well use lemon juice or lime juice if that is what you have. I'll add just a little bit of it, and I'll also go in with some salt as well, which will help clean the gizzard and also prevent any smell or any unwanted smell that I don't need from the gizzard. Okay, and so I'm going to be washing this for about 3 to 4 times until the water runs out very clean. Alright, so after cleaning the gizzard very well, I'm going to be using this for my kebab recipe coming very soon. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, or if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well to turn it on so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.